Hi, everyone. It's time now for Better Money. Joel Johnson is a certified financial planner and managing partner at Johnson Brunetti. Is here today so we can take a deep dive into maybe even spring cleaning our finances. We're spring cleaning a lot of things. So, Joel, thanks for being here. We need to spring clean our finances, too.
Need to get things a little organized, get rid of the clutter, get rid of the dust, and make sure that we've got things in order so we can enjoy the rest of the year. So we don't have to think about our money all the time. That's the idea here, right? Get things set up right so we don't have to always be thinking and worrying about money.
Yeah, that would feel good to have everything where it needs to be. So number one, we want to discard any outdated wills, trusts, and estate plans.
Yeah, this is one of the biggest things we see. A lot of times people come into our office and they're within 3-4 years of retirement and they've got these old wills, they've got these old trusts. They might, those documents might not follow the wishes of the person anymore. So it's really important that those are at least reviewed. They don't always have to be updated, but they should at least be reviewed to make sure that what is in those documents reflects who you are right now. Because sometimes they were done when the kids were born or 30 years ago.
Okay. Also, if you need something updated, you probably want to do that.
Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. Get it updated.
Okay. And then track down any forgotten 401s from old jobs.
Yeah, and usually people haven't forgotten about 401ks, but they've sort of forgotten them in the sense that they're ignoring them. They might have the big one from the company they're working for now, and then they might have that one with a much smaller balance in it that's kind of being ignored, but that's still money. It's still real money. It might represent 6 months to a year's worth of income. So let's track those things down. Let's simplify things so that we don't have all these accounts all over the place.
Okay.
Most people can benefit hugely from simplifying their finances.
Okay, and that's really the third point, is consolidate the accounts, and you can do that without fees. It's just like you're picking, basically, instead of a bunch of little things laying around, you put everything in one bag and you can find it.
Right, and it makes your focus a lot easier. So put it in one spot. I mean, you can't combine a retirement account with a non-retirement account, but you can, people get the idea, you can simplify this. So instead of 12 accounts, maybe you have 4 or 5. It's easier to keep track of. It's easier to make sure the investments are coordinated with each other.
And then that means you also want to make that appointment, schedule that annual, like we do our physical, schedule that annual meeting with your advisor. Or if you don't have one, you might want to schedule a free consultation with someone like you.
Exactly, and a physical is a good way to look at it, because when you're, in your 20s and 30s, maybe you have to go to the doctor and get a full physical less often. I turned 60 a couple of years ago. I'm going every year, and I'm talking sometimes more than once a year, and it's the same with your finances. The stakes get higher as you get older and as you have more money.
Okay, so this can also help you. You have a free offer. It's called the Money Map, and you can get your free copy by going to bettermoneytv.com, and people will get this free copy, this free book that you have, and they can also ask personal questions of you. Yeah,
we answer every single question. The book's great. It's got resources on all kinds of different areas of finance, saving for retirement, grandkids, estate planning, and so on. So we want every one of our viewers to get a copy of the book.
All right, perfect. Thanks so much, Joel.
Thanks, Kara.
That's Better Money.